Hi class, I hope you enjoyed your weekend. This will be the beginning of July 27th, day of work. So I'm just going to go over a quick overview of what we'll be doing for that day and walk you through the site. As you can see on the home page, I have an announcement for you letting you know that we will be logging on at 10 a.m. So I created a link, which is right here in the top corner, so that you can click on it and we'll all be able to have a group discussion about the book Dry and read a few pages along with each other. To make sure that you get to your classwork, you always will click the classwork stream and it takes you over to this page. And as you can see, you have due dates. The slide presentation will be due at the end of this week because it'll be a group presentation. So make sure you're doing all of the things that state that they are due tomorrow at 12 a.m. Make sure you just click on the actual assignment and you can view the assignment. You can see that it's worth 15 points and it's for all students. Here are your instructions. And it says watch a video on earthquakes and write a summary on how you feel about it. And I created a Google Docs for you to be able to log into and create your own copy. And you'll be able to write a summary. Make sure you're hitting all of the key points. Write a short summary on what you watched. Make it at least one paragraph. How did it make you feel? Is your household prepared? What would you do in an earthquake? So make sure all of those points are touched on in your summary as far as the earthquake reflection video. Here's the video. It'll take you straight to YouTube once you click on it. I don't want to click on it right now, but once you click on it, the link does work. If you have any questions, just make sure that you don't hesitate to ask. I'm going back to the home page. Classwork again. We'll close that box down. And you can see here, there's earthquake article. And none of the students have turned it in yet. This is what I see on my end, but you'll actually see the assignment again, and it'll take you to a Google Docs where the article is displayed. It'll tell you the author's name, and I just want everyone to go through and follow the directions that I left in the classwork. So you're going to read through the article that is in the link. Highlight important words and phrases. So I need every individual to create their own copy of it and go through and highlight the important words and phrases and take a quiz on the article. So once you click on earthquake article quiz, it's going to take you to the earthquake article quiz. And I made it where I want you to do short answers, just a few sentences on answering those questions. This is an English class. Then I want you to do 20-minute reading of your choice. So you're going to get a book of your choice on your reading level. Make sure that you're aware of your AR level and you know what books are designed for you, because of course I know what books are designed for you. At least for 20 minutes, time yourself. If you get lost in the book, do more. I'm always a supporter of you reading more, so make sure you're doing that. Write a short summary on what you read in the book. Make it at least one paragraph. Include the book title, author, and page numbers. And as you can see, I also created a Google Docs for you to go into, and it provides you with the bullets of book title, author, page numbers, and I need you to complete the summary as far as what you read in that portion of the book. So those are the assignments for that day. An extension of what we'll be doing for this week is I want everyone to go in. I've assigned you into different groups. Just make sure you look at the people in the class, and it's based on the colors that you're assigned to. make a copy of the slide presentation below. Share slide presentation with your group so one person can make the copy and make sure that it's shared with their group. Discuss as a group what slides you each will do. Write your name on your specific slide. So each individual in the group needs to make sure that they're writing their name somewhere on that slide so that I can know that you did it. Answer the questions on the slide in 1 to 2 paragraphs. So I don't want bullet points. This is an English class. Like I said, I want you to make sure that you're summarizing and inputting that information, thinking about how you're going to input it with sentence structure. Collaborate with your group to improve your slides. So once you guys talk about everything of what you want to do in your slides, how you're going to do your slides, I need you guys to look through and make sure that your teammates are held accountable for what they're putting. Offer suggestions. Constructive criticism is always welcome so that you can make sure that it's a sound presentation. When done, have the owner of the slide presentation submit the presentation here. So here's the slide presentation. It's where you can go in, and of course you see you have a name and it's asking each of the questions. So make sure you're aware of that so that each person is going to do their portion. On Friday, what I'm going to do is create a sign-up sheet, and we're going to do screencasting. Each one of you guys will share the screen, and the group will complete the presentation, whether it's through MeetLink or through a Zoom. I haven't decided that yet, but I will be getting back to you guys so that you can do that. If you have any further questions on how you're going to do the project, if you need help with the project, please just message me and let me know. And I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow, because you will have a video tomorrow on that day's activities. Have a good day.